This is Katura with Blue Notary, and today we're going to talk about your RON approval document. Now, this is a document you're going to need to start doing remote online notarizations on the Blue Notary platform. So here in our Manage tab, we can go to RON approval document. And here, it would be good to see what will be acceptable. So let's click on this link to go to the knowledge article. So here in this knowledge article, we see that we can add a copy of the screenshot of the email that we received from our Secretary of State or Department of State. We can upload a photo of a physical letter from our Secretary of State. And if our state doesn't offer a RON approval document, we can upload our commission letter or email. So let's go back to our Blue Notary platform and upload our RON approval document. So here I'm uploading my RON approval document. So I can take a look at what I've uploaded. And here is the file that I just uploaded. Now, after I have uploaded my RON approval document, I want to make sure that I go to my settings. And here in my settings, I want to make sure I go to the Payout section. By adding payout information, I'll be putting my RON approval document into the approval process by Blue Notary. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.